Looking for the best AI courses on Udemy in 2026? You're asking the right question, because AI is no longer just a tech skill, it's becoming a career skill. Whether you're a student, freelancer, marketer, agency owner, e-commerce seller, SaaS founder, developer, or business professional, understanding AI can help you work faster, automate tasks, make better decisions, and stay competitive. That's why AI-related learning is exploding right now. Udemy has expanded its AI offerings significantly, including courses on generative AI, ChatGPT, AI agents, prompt engineering, machine learning, LLMs, AI automation, and AI-powered productivity. Some of the most popular AI learning paths in 2026 include ChatGPT and AI productivity, generative AI agents and agentic AI, prompt engineering, large language models or LLMs, AI automation, machine learning, AI for business, AI for marketing, and AI for developers. The biggest mistake people make is choosing an AI course because it's trending. Instead, choose a course based on what problem you're trying to solve. If you're a marketer, learn AI content creation and automation. If you're a business owner, focus on AI workflows and productivity. If you're a developer, look at AI agents, LLM engineering, and machine learning. And if you're just getting started, begin with beginner-friendly generative AI and ChatGPT courses before moving into advanced topics. The good news is that many of Udemy's top AI courses are regularly available at discounted prices, making it one of the most affordable ways to learn practical AI skills. Udemy also recently partnered with Google to expand AI-focused learning opportunities for individual learners. Before buying any AI course, check the description below.